YouTube will start deducting taxes from non-US citizens for US traffic. Hi, my name is David, and if this is your first time watching my videos and you get value from the content that you watch, kindly consider liking this video and sharing it with your friends so that they can be informed and add the relevant details in their AdSense account. So YouTube sent out an email yesterday with the following in part. We are reaching out because Google will be required to deduct US taxes from payments to creators outside the US later this year, and this is as early as June of 2021. So over the next few weeks, they'll be asking us to submit our tax information inside AdSense, and I've already seen that the option is available to add the tax information so that they can determine the correct amount of taxes they'll deduct, if any. So if your tax info isn't provided by May 31st, 2021, Google will be required to deduct 24% of your total earnings worldwide. So if you don't provide that information, they'll deduct 24% from your total earnings worldwide. But if you provide the tax information, they'll only deduct the amount they determine based on your taxes just from the US traffic. So what does this mean for us is that the tax is for US revenue. This is ad views, YouTube Premium, super chats, stickers, just traffic that is oriented to the US market. If your channel is really gets a lot of views from the US, then be sure that there is going to be a good amount of taxes coming or being deducted. So ensure that you know and add this information. Also, the range of the taxation will be 0 to 30%. Really depends on where you are. 0% if you're in a tax treaty country with the US. If the US has a treaty with your country, then potentially you might just have a 0% deduction of tax, or up to 30%. Really depends on where you are in the world. I'm not sure how much they're going to be deducting for Kenya, but I'll see once I fill out the tax form. And as I've mentioned, if you do not fill out the tax form, they're going to deduct 24% tax from all the revenue from all viewers. That is everything from your YouTube channel. If you make $300, 24%. But for the other one, they are considering US traffic. If your US traffic is about $200 and the tax bracket they put you in is 10%, then they're just going to be deducting something like $20 from that monthly YouTube earnings. That is the US traffic. So make sure that you add or manage the tax information inside AdSense. And if you enter or go inside the Google AdSense, you'll see either something of this sort or maybe a notification at the top letting you know that you can manage your tax info. And this is that all YouTube creators and partners needs to submit tax information to ensure any applicable taxes on your payments are accurate. So ensure that you do this. It's paramount. They say give to Caesar what belongs to Caesar. So I believe that's it for this video, and just make sure you fill out the relevant information as required. Thanks for watching this video and staying in the know. Fill out your tax form. Thanks for watching.